What if I told you that the next 3 months could be your biggest earning season on Amazon KDP? In this video I will reveal the most profitable book niches for Q4 2025, covering Easter's, Mother's Day, Father's Days and even some hidden gems most sellers overlook. Stick with me till the end because I have something special for you. In the next video I will walk you through creating and uploading your first book in just 10 minutes. So let's dive in. Seasonal books are some of the easiest ways to make money on KDP. Why? Because people are actively searching for gifts, activities and keepsakes related to these events. If you publish at the right time, you can ride the wave of seasonal sales and boost your passive income. And trust me, choosing the right niche is everything. Let's break it down month by month. I will cover the biggest holidays and the types of low-content books that sell the most. Easter is huge, especially for kids and families. Parents and teachers are looking for activity books, while churches and religious groups buy themed journals and planners. Here are some top picks. Easter coloring books for kids, adults or even specific age of groups, such like toddlers Easter coloring book. Easter activity books, word searches, dot-to-dot, mazes, puzzles. Easter gratitude journal, a family-friendly book to reflect on blessings. Easter recipe journal, a blank recipe book to record family Easter dishes. Christian themed journals, Lent prayer books, Bible verse journals, Stations of the Cross journals. Here is a lot of different Easter coloring book. It already has a good BSR. Let's check some books. Cute Easter. Let's go inside and check interior. Here's interiors. Let's check it. Yes, Happy Easter coloring book. As you can see, pretty simple images. And the BSR is only 5,000. So for example, let's check it how many books per day these authors sell. 5,165. Paperback, Amazon.com, 21 book per day. And let's calculate how many royalties each day he makes. The book costs $6.99. Go here. Paperback. How many pages? Let's check. 74. $6.99, and here we can see $1.89. Multiply 21 book per day, so it's almost $40 per day, and calculate and multiply it for 30 days. So just from one book, it authors makes around $1,000. Here's the different Easter activity books. Word search book, it's pretty interesting. As you can see, there is 10 words per page. It's book pretty new, but as you can see, it's already a good BSR. It was published by February 7, 2025. There are some other Easter word search, it's more for adult, maybe for some toddlers, because there's inside more than 10 words per page. Here is Lent prayer book. As you can see, already a good BSR. I just want to remind you that the less BSR, the better. If you can create a fun, high-quality cover and use the right keywords, these books can sell like a crazy in weeks leading up to Easter. And now I will show you a list of additional niches for April that many people forget about. These have lower competition, which means the better chance they rank higher and get sales faster. So pause the video and take a screenshot of these niches, or save the video by clicking the 3 dots in the bottom right and hitting save, so you don't lose it. Mother's Day is all about thoughtful gifts. People don't just buy flowers, they want something meaningful. That's where long-content books come in. Here are some top niches. Mom's Memory Journal. It's a book filled with prompts to help moms document their life stories. Gratitude Journal for Moms, a journal to reflect on their special moments. Mom Coloring Book, relaxing illustration and funny mother's quotes. Mom's Bucket List, a book where moms can write down dreams, goals and life experience. Mom and Me Activity Book, a fun interactive books for mom and kids. Here I typed in Mom Life Coloring Book and let's check. Mom Life Sharky Adult Coloring Book. it's more complicated to create. There are some memories with mom coloring book, Mommy's Day coloring book. Let's check this book. Here's interior. Pretty various. Let's check the reviews. Here we can see more different interiors. Okay, let's go further. This book is pretty interesting. Here are some interior pages. Pretty simple to draw. Here's some kind of mom's memory journal. Mom, I want to hear your story. So it's a book with different various of questions that your mom will write in. Here's different questions. What is your birth date? What is your full name? So it's just for start. For example, what stories have you been told about the day you were born? What were a few popular movies that came out that year? How would you describe yourself when you were a kid? It's pretty interesting book because in this book you can collect all story from your mother and keep it. And I'm pretty sure that she will love to write in. Here's some other book with 6,000 reviews. There's also some questions to your mother. So it's pretty easy book to create, but you need just to collect a lot of different questions. But in this case you can check, for example, and ask for a ChatGPT for help. Mom and Me activities, Mom and Me activity book. And here it is, as you can see already, the good BSR. Draw with Mom. These books make great gifts and keep selling year-round. Before we move in, here's a list of extra niches for May that could bring you more sales. Take a quick screenshot or save this video for later. Now, don't forget about Father's Day. Many of the Mother's Day's ideas work for dads too, but here's some unique ones. Dad's Guided Journal, a memory book where dads write their life stories. Funny Dad Joke Book, a collection of dad jokes. Always a hit. Dad's Bucket List, just like for moms but with more adventure-focused prompts. Fathers and Child Activity Book, games, puzzles and bonding activities for dads and kids. Dad's Gratitude Journal, of course, a simple, thoughtful gift that sells well. Dad's Story Journal. Pretty the same book as for the moms, but just for dads. Let's check inside. First, okay. So, as you can see, pretty the same. Maybe even the after the same. And here is Funny Dad Joke Book. As you can see, there is no BSR, but it's not true. I think there's some kind of mistake because, as you can see, it's published already in 2019 and it has more than 9,000 reviews. So, let's check inside BSR. The BSR is almost 3,000. Let's check inside. Let's go to the reviews to understand what type of interior you need to create. Write personalized message at the front of the book. And here are some jokes for that. Pretty interesting review. Finally, a gift my father enjoyed. He blessed us readings throughout our Christmas celebration. Father's Day book can bring a great sales if you launch them early. And here's one last set of niches ideas for June. Don't miss this. Pause now, take a screenshot or save this video for later. Quarter 2 isn't just about these 3 big holidays. Here are a few extra niches that could work. Graduation books, planners, memory books, grad-themed journals, summer travel journals. People love to document their adventures. Wedding planners and journals. Perfect for a peak wedding season. Finding a unique angle in any of these can set your book apart. So now you know the best KDP niches for quarter 4 2025. But what's the next? Well, if you're ready to create and upload your first book, I've got you covered. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to design and publish a book on Amazon KDP in just 10 minutes. Don't miss it. Click here to watch. So this is it. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.